like me and you never have any cash on you, then we've got some good news for you, because here at Excel Church we now have a card reader, so you can pay for anything by card. There'll be somebody in the foyer before and after the service, so if you want to buy something from the shop, if you want to make a special donation, if you want to pay for something like Strength Will Rise, then you can do that by card. You can go and see somebody in the foyer with the card reader and do that today. We want to start the new year off in a great way, as we always do, so we'll be starting on the 5th of January with a prayer breakfast. That's going to be at 9 a.m, and if you would like to come along, you need to sign up, and you can do that one of two ways: either go to the notice board or via the Exchange app as well. That's the 5th of January is our prayer breakfast.
Jesus Christ is with us. He has come to save us.
Just before we go, let me remind you to book your tickets for our Christmas special service on the 23rd of December. Now, all of the tickets have gone for the 11 a.m. service, but there's still plenty left for 1:30, so get your tickets today. They're completely free, and you can get them via Exchange or the website as well. That's everything for XL News. Have a great week, and we'll see you back next Sunday for some more.